Hello, my name is Michael Messano. This is my 9th year teaching at Plant High School. I teach AP US History, and I will be your APUSH teacher this year. APUSH is a very rigorous course where we learn to engage in a conversation with the past, in this case, American history. We learn how to analyze historical evidence and think like historians in this class, and then we apply those skills both in conversation and especially in writing. So you will find yourself reading a lot of material on a daily basis, having to think critically about it, and then apply it to the bigger picture and broader context of U.S. history. You will need basic materials for this course: paper, pens, highlighters, because you will be reading and annotating a lot of material, and people have different preferences about how they do that. But beyond that, a binder to probably store those materials in so that you can keep yourself organized would be helpful. You will want to get yourself a prep book of some kind for AP US History. I prefer Barron's, but again, personal preference. You're welcome to get a different publication if you happen to like it better than the Barron's book. This will help you to study for the AP exam, but also it's a quick reference resource that you could have at your fingertips there at home. You will most certainly need to be very familiar with Canvas, so whatever trainings the district provides, I highly recommend that you use those, because we will be using Canvas from day one in this course and every day in this course. You may be writing a lot of things on your own at home, but you will be turning in assignments and assessments via Canvas. So we'll all have to get used to using this new learning management system, but I think that you will definitely come to like it as I have. I've been using it at HCC, where I also teach as an adjunct instructor, and I think that it has quite a bit of potential for our uses here at the high school level. So I'm looking forward to meeting all of you. I know that we are all experiencing a very unique moment in American history, and we'll get to share that together. And we are going to make the best of this situation in spite of whatever challenges are being thrown at us, and I am excited to experience that with you.